Hey guys, remember about a month ago when I got a package of Love Live Sunshine EXQ figures from Japan Toys, the Australian website? Well, they sent me the last 3 in the set here. So before I got the set of 6 that they had at the time, and there are 9 in total. So they were ever so kind enough to send me the last 3 in the set there. I almost cut my hand off. So huge thanks to them. They really didn't have to do that, but they just offered to, so that was pretty cool. So I thought I'd just make a quick video and show these to you guys so that if anyone who was interested, I know from that video that I made before, obviously some of you guys were some Love Live fans out there. So I figured some of you guys may be interested to see these, and I know not all of you guys live in Australia, where Japan Toys does their business. But for any of you guys who do live in Australia, I would definitely say go ahead and check out their website, because from what I've seen on their site, I think their prices are actually really reasonable. If I lived in Australia, I would certainly consider that for some of these figures if I was looking for them. Alright, so here we go, the last 3 in a line. Cowboy Girl, Sweater Girl, and Iori Rinko cosplay. I apologize guys again because I have no experience with Love Live. I've never watched it, or I have no experience with the anime. I just think that these are some really nice looking PVC figures, so let's pop them out of the box and see how they look. Alright, so here they are out of the box. They are very nice. Once again, even though I've got the other ones up on my shelf and like right in front of me half the time I'm in the room, pulling these out of the box, I was surprised once again at just how big they are. These are really quite large and really nicely detailed, really nicely molded, nicely painted. Just to give you guys a sense of the scale, there's a HG kit that I recently reviewed, the Striker GNX, and as you can see, they're quite tall. So really cool figures. I gotta say, like, if you are in the market for something like this, like if you are a big fan of the series, or if you're like me and you just think that these look really nice, then the detail on them is really cool. They do make really nice. Obviously they're not like super dirt cheap. If you're going to be trying to collect the whole set, you are probably going to be spending a little bit of money for that. But again, or you know, I'm sure if you guys are fans of the series, then you probably have like your own certain favorite characters or something that you might just want to give just 1 or 2 or something of your favorite characters. But I do have to say I really like these a lot. And okay, here is the full set, finally all together, and I've got to say, one thing that I really like about these is that they're all in just their normal clothes compared to like their kind of more obnoxious like idol uniforms that I think they're normally wearing in the show from what I've seen. This is gonna maybe sound a little bit pretentious, but one thing that I like about having this kind of stuff around is just like being an artist. It's nice to have like different things, colorful things, pretty things, different things around that you can look to for inspiration. You never know when I might be like thinking about a color scheme or something that I want to think about for a kit. I may just be looking around and think that, oh, some colors on these look really nice, I want to try to utilize something like that into a kit. You never know, so it's nice to just have a variety of things around your space to keep your mind interested. Anyway, so again, a huge thank you to Japan Toys for sending these all to me. Guys, do check out their site, the link is down below. Thank you guys as always for watching. Leave any other questions and comments down below in the comment section, and as always guys, have a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.